But this is what I wanted to do. I loved drawing, and I found that it was a great way of getting all my creative ideas out. Use my imagination, I could channel it through these drawings. And then I wanted to sort of build into doing other things as well. So when I got older, I drew my very first, it was a comic book that I did when I was in year 7 for my end of year art class. We had to create something. I wanted to create a comic book, so I created these characters. It's called Ashcan and the Alley Cat. So this was them. It was Ashcan, Cat, Spike, and Fleabag. And I created my own comic book. So I wrote the story, thought about what I wanted these characters to be, what I wanted them to do. I created this whole little world, and this was my way of expressing that creativity, and I absolutely loved it.